Many times people keep buying from you out of habit. You sell petrol, you have a petrol filling station, you are the closest one to their office or their house. You are a laundry service, you are a laundry business, you are the closest one to where they live or where they work. So you are baked into their normal habits, right? When you buy this product, when it's just about to finish, you get a fresh supply. Whether it is cooking gas that you use at home, you don't have to wait to bother about, I don't have gas. The person that is serving you, the business that is serving you, preemptively provides a fresh resupply. So if you can build yourself into the habits of your customers, you naturally just become, you monopolize that relationship, and it now becomes a case of they cannot do without you. It's as if you know when they need you and you're able to meet that need. So when people buy from you out of habits, you are now in a very sweet position, because I've heard there are businesses who will tell you when they want to buy maybe computers or printing materials, they buy from that person. Why do we buy from him? He's the one we've always been buying from. That's the only reason. He's the one we've always been buying from. Just the moment you send him the request, he knows what to do. The business knows what to do. We don't need to spend time policing them. They know the specs we need. They know how we want them delivered. They know how to set them up. They know how we work. They understand our systems. If you are the person who understands the needs and the habits of your customers more than your competitors, buying from you becomes just a matter of habits. They don't want to overthink it, so they just buy from you. So habits are a very important and critical part that can help you monopolize the buying relationship with your customers. Right? There are businesses that do automatic refills. Whether it's your cooking gas or whatever, they know when the level is about to go down, and they just come and refill it. They instantly come and refill it. So imagine you sell something that your customers will always need. Imagine you sell diesel and you supply businesses for their power generators. Imagine you had a way of knowing when your customers' diesel is about to finish. Imagine you supply cooking gas and you know when your customer's cooking gas is about to finish. Imagine your customer getting a call and you're telling them, you know, your cooking gas is about to finish. I'm sending a replacement to the house. All they just need from you is yes or no. And most likely, it will almost always be a yes. Because you have a better reading of them, so they don't need to bother. You provide a level of convenience that you've become a habit. Buying from you becomes a habit. But the moment you create space, you're now giving your customers the opportunity to explore alternatives. Right? So that's what they call, in Nigeria here, we call it close marking. When you are giving your customers a close marking such that it becomes difficult for them to do without you. In fact, they can't even imagine it, because it's as if you know them better than they know themselves. Imagine you sell solar products, right? And you're that person who is always, you know, I'm calling because it's been 6 months since we last came to look at your system. And you know these maintenance procedures are very important, so that you don't end up losing a battery or harming the system. I'm sending my guys in tomorrow to come and do the routine maintenance, and they'll be coming with the invoice. You become a habit, because if you're the kind of person who would always wait for your customers to call you when they have a problem, a time may call, they try to reach you, they cannot reach you, or they're at a point where they cannot reach you. Guess what? They start trying somebody else. So you need to build yourself into a habit such that they don't need to think. You are just the person who gets it done. Right? If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.